Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. Today we're doing a 90-day update on one of the Boutique by the Box J.Crew and Madewell women's denim boxes. So if you want to see what sold for me out of this box, if I made a profit, and if I would buy another one based on my results, definitely stick around. So when Boutique by the Box first started offering these J.Crew and Madewell customer returns, I jumped on it. I think I ordered pretty much one of every single box that they had available that I could get my hands on. This is one of the first updates. They're all starting to roll around to their 90-day marks. So I'm excited to share with you this update and to look at my results on this one. I love selling denim. Denim is one of my favorite, most sought after, if you will. It's easy for me to store. I love listing it. So I was very excited about this one, and that's probably why I did this one first. So if you like reseller content, certainly consider subscribing to my channel. I get almost 100% of my inventory online on sites like this, and I always unbox live on my channel when I get a new box, and I come back 90 days later to share the results. Hit that like button too if you could. That definitely helps out my channel too, and it lets me know you like this kind of content. And let me know in the comments too if you've ordered this denim box from Boutique by the Box with the J.Crew Madewell customer returns. Definitely let me know how yours is doing. The thing about the customer returns is that it could be different styles and sizes and variety and different conditions. So I'm interested to know if you ordered this, if you had the same or similar results, or if yours were wildly different. Definitely let me know down in the comments. Okay, so this box was a 20-piece box, so 20 pieces of denim, $306 with free shipping from boutiquebythebox.com. It was probably a little bit more than that originally listed on the site. I have a 10% off coupon that they also let me use. It's my affiliate code, but anybody can use it, including myself, which is pretty awesome. So I was able to take 10% off with code OHYEAH at checkout. You're able to take 10% off most boxes it works on. It's linked down below, or if you just type OHYEAH at checkout, you can take 10% off your boutiquebythebox.com order as well. So that put my cost per piece at $15.30. There were two items that I was not able to list because these are customer returns. The condition is typically unknown. There were two pair of jeans in the box that just were too flawed. I was not able or didn't feel comfortable listing them. It was like they were so flawed, it wasn't going to be worth trying to fix or list and disclose. So there were two I just donated, I think. I have 3 left, and everything else is sold. 15 pieces are sold. So what I'll do is I'll go through. I will show you the lowest sale price item all the way up to the highest. Then I'll show you what's left. I'll give you my final results, all the numbers and everything after that. So if you want to watch the original video, that is linked down below too. If not, let's go ahead and get right into the results here. So first sale was the Perfect Vintage wide leg crop jeans. These were a size 30 petite. These were a $29 eBay sale. These sold right just about at the 90-day mark. I knew I was coming up on the 90-day update here, and somebody made me a $29 offer on eBay, so I did go ahead and accept it. $15.30 was my cost per piece. $29 sale. It still is yielding a profit, so even the lowest selling item is still profitable, which is great news for me. Then there was the Perfect Vintage wide leg jeans in a size 30. These took 5 weeks. They were a $30 eBay sale though. So again, still in the profit. So I'm glad about that. There were a pair of stovepipe jeans in white. I listed these in December and they sold in January. So less than a month for $35. And again, because they're white and it's the middle of winter, that's pretty awesome too. Then there was a pair of Perfect Vintage jeans in white. I got, I think, a ton of these jeans, this Perfect Vintage. So you'll see this over and over and over again. These were a size 24. Again, they were white. So not the easiest thing to sell in the middle of winter. But these did sell in February. So about 60 days on these. They were a $35 Poshmark sale. Then there was a pair of baggy flare jeans in white. There was a lot of white in this box, if I remember correctly. These were a size 28. Also a Poshmark sale, $36 sold by offer. So I think I had them listed at 40. I sent it 10% off with discounted shipping, and those sold at the end of February. These were the curvy perfect vintage jeans in a size 23. So very small size, but I've learned with the Madewell stuff, the small sizes, and especially like the petites and talls, they actually sell really well. I think they just don't make as many of them and they sell out on the website quickly. Anyway, I'm not scared of the 23s and the 24s anymore. They sell really well, just as well, if not better than some of the bigger sizes. So anyway, these were a size 23 and they sold in 5 weeks on Poshmark for $40 by offer. So I think I had them listed at 45 and then I sent the 10% off with the discounted shipping. Here's another pair of perfect vintage jeans in a size 23 petite. These sold in about 8 weeks on eBay, so 2 months. They were a $43 sale. I think someone offered me $43. I did go ahead and accept. Here's a pair of perfect vintage jeans in a size 32, so the opposite end of the size scale. These are a size 32, bigger size. These sold, wow, within only 2 weeks on Poshmark, $45 by offer. So I think I listed at 50, sent the 10% off with offer. Somebody accepted, and that was a relatively quick sale. I had a pair of maternity jeans in a size 25, which seems like kind of an odd size to me a little bit. They were white, perfect vintage straight leg jeans. These actually sold, they were only listed 1 day. They sold on Poshmark for $50, which I think somebody paid my outright listing price. Either that or they sent me a $50 offer and I accepted. So there was no discounted shipping on that. There's a pair of perfect vintage wide leg crop jeans in black. These were a size 29. These sold after only 3 days on eBay for $50. So I think that one was an outright sale, or maybe someone sent me an offer. There was a pair of low slung straight jeans. These were a size 33, so bigger size here too. These one took a little longer. These took about the 90 days, but they sold on Poshmark for $50. All right, last 4. There's a pair of perfect vintage straight leg jeans. These were a light wash, size 30. And these sold within 3 days on Poshmark for $55. So very exciting to see that most of this stuff, not only is most of it sold very quickly, which is like more than ideal for a box, right? Top 3, here's the 90s straight leg jeans in black. These were a size 29 tall. Again, with the tall and petite sizes, love, love, love when I get these in my boxes. These sold within 2 days on Poshmark for $60. Here's a pair of perfect vintage jeans in a size 30 petite. These sold within 4 days on Poshmark for $71 by offer. So these were listed at 80 and they sold for 71 with the discounted shipping. So that was very quick sale, very high. Love it. And then the highest selling item in the box also was a Poshmark sale. These were the perfect vintage jeans in a size 31 tall. So again, tall size. These sold within 3 weeks on Poshmark for $79. So I think somebody sent me an offer for $79 on these. I think, if I remember correctly, these were sold out on the Madewell website. So they were currently listed on the Madewell website, but sold out in this size. And the original price was like $128. So if you're somebody that likes this style, needs this size, and can't get it on Madewell.com, you're going to Poshmark, and I was able to get a very significant amount for them, which was very, very exciting. Okay, so that is what is already sold. There's only 3 pair of jeans here that are remaining. I've got a pair of perfect wide leg jeans in a size 25. Again, they haven't found their home yet, but I'm fully confident they will eventually. There was a pair of high-rise straight jeans from J. Crew Factory. These were new without tag. These are going to be a little bit of a harder sale, but again, I'm not super worried about it. Then there's these flare overalls. These are going to be a harder sale. In fact, at this point for these, I would probably take whatever offer somebody gave me. These are a size 00. which is a smaller size, and their overalls, which is more of a specialty type item. So I'm going to let them hang out here. I'm sure there's going to be the right buyer that comes along for these, but I'm not exactly surprised that they haven't sold yet or that they took longer than everything else. All right, so that's all the items. Let's recap and look at the results. So I paid $306 for the box. Typically with a first quality, new with tag type box, I'm paying up a little bit per piece. $15.30 for a pair of jeans is on the higher side of things for me. So what I really want to do though is double my money with a box like this. So I paid $306 for the box. My total profit so far is $597. So if I take $597 minus my original investment of $306, $291. So I'm just short of doubling my money. If I sell one of these 2 pair of jeans left, I'm going to double my money. So was this a good box? Absolutely. It yielded the results I was expecting, the results I was counting on. And when majority of this stuff sells within 90 days and I can double my profit, not only am I making money quickly, but I'm making room for more stuff. I want room in this room for more things, and I don't like things to be sitting. So it sold fast. It yielded the profit I was expecting. Was this a good box? Yes. Would I buy another one of these? Absolutely yes, at this price. I know $15 for a pair of jeans is a scary number, but if it's going to sell and it's going to bring you the profit, it's absolutely worth the investment. So I will definitely be looking out on boutiquebythebox.com for more of these, and I will hopefully be able to stock up when they stock up. So that's my results. Let me know down below how you've done with this box. Again, if you've ordered it, I'm very pleased with my results. I would love to hear what you think. Make sure you subscribe for more 90-day updates. Like I said, I've ordered pretty much every single one of these J.Crew Madewell returns boxes they've offered, and I'm starting to get the 90-day updates coming up. So I would love to show you some more results. Hit that like button on the way out if you could. That definitely helps out my channel as well. And that's it for today, friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video.